Hello, I got this 1999 Honda Accord of my daughter's, and she was she never messed with the sunroof before, but this is what happened. It got stuck in this position and it won't close. And even when we hit the button here, the motor is getting some power to it. And if you can hear this, you can only hear some slight activation with the center button. The other buttons for, I guess, all the way open and closed are not working. So that's what's going on with that. If anybody has any ideas, I did look up, took this little plug thing off here. This thing, I tried to get needle nose, little angled needle nose plier up in there and grab a hold of that, because I think that might be the manual override thing. We don't have the special tool for it anywhere in the car, so I don't know if anybody has any ideas about how. I read up a little bit, like if it's a relay, they got an open relay, they got a closed relay, but if anyone's ever had this particular problem with this Honda Accord not closing the sunroof, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.